to get the Durand Cup here.
To resolve the ongoing stalemate where NGOs are checking documents of migrant labourers, the Deputy Chief Minister Sneobha Langdhar said that Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma will soon meet with the leaders of the various pressure groups to resolve the confusion around the issue of the work permit system. He urged upon the pressure group leaders to restrain since the state needs the migrant workers to do the work which the local labourers cannot do.
From my side, I request all the NGOs
The KSU West Khasi Hills District Unit along with Rambrai